Welcome to Zomsala Multimedia. First of all, let's go to settings. Pull down the notification bar. Click on the settings button on the upper top right corner. Click on connections. Click on more connections. Click on VPN. Okay, right now you can see that there's no any VPN available. We can add VPN profile by clicking on the upper top right corner 3 dot to add a VPN profile. So what we have seen, this will be the procedure that will be able to add a VPN profile. So right now we will want to see the IP address of this mobile device. So what we are supposed to do is to launch our browser. So we type what'smyip.com, or we search what'smyip.com on the search bar, so that we hit on go. So right now here we'll be able to see our IP address of this device on the internet. You can see that it is showing public IP v4, the country, region, city, zip, latitude or longitude, time zone. For security reasons, my IP address has been blurred. So now let's start the procedure of establishing a VPN profile. So you click on more settings as usual. You click on VPN. So we click on the 3 dot on the upper right to add a VPN profile. So with creating this VPN network profile, we have to enter the VPN profile name. We will have to check the PP encryption. We also have to enter the server address. We also have to enter the username and the password. So you can enter any preferred name for your VPN profile. Right now we need a website that provides free VPN profile. So we have to launch our web browser. Type vpnbook.com for free VPN server addresses. So we launched the free VPN. So right now here we are only interested in the PPTP. So we'll need to click on the PPTP for the available server's name and the username and the password. So we have to click on that. So after we are done with it, we'll start our copying and doing the pasting magic here. So I have to click on the PPTP. So these are the servers available. We have the Poland VPN server, Germany, US, France and Canada. So for this tutorial we are going to select the US VPN server, and as I said earlier, the arrow is showing the servers available. So we have to copy the address for our server. So we copy it here. Now we go back to our setup. Now we paste it here, so that we'll now be having our server address. So our server address will be us2.vpnbook.com. So we have to enter the username. We go back to the free VPN website. We also copy the username. The arrow is showing the username. So the username is VPN book. So we copy it. Now we go back to our setup and paste the username there. So our username will now be VPN book. So we also need to enter our password. So right now we have to move to the free VPN website. Now this password cannot be copied because it is a picture. So right now what we are supposed to do is to write it down for reference, or you can note it very well. So after we have done that, we move back to our setup and then type the password there. So the password, so after we are done typing the password, we click on save to create or set up our VPN profile account name. So we have to click on the VPN profile account name to start the connection. So there you can see that VPN is establishing connection. So it will be connected right now. So when it is connected, we now have our VPN, free VPN. So we can go back to the website that is launching our browser and type wasmyip.com to now see the device IP address on the internet, so that you'll be free to browse the internet without showing your real location, the country, the city, and even your device IP address. So you can see that currently our IP address is now located in US.